Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My vacation's just finished and I'm back to work, and today I will try to make a few videos to have content for the next days and next week. So guys, unfortunately I'm facing a fuel leak in the Audi A3. This car never gave me any kind of problems or big problems, but since I stopped driving this car for 2 years, it's a kind of normal that it has some problems right now because I parked the car on the street and it's pretty normal. So the fuel leak that I have right now, it's next, I don't know exactly where because I didn't look, but it's right next to the fuel filter. So I take the chance to replace also the fuel filter because I replaced this filter maybe 4 or 5 years ago, I don't remember really well. And guys, let's go see where is the fuel leak right now and replace the fuel filter, and at least I have a fuel filter brand new ready for the next owner of this car. So guys, let's go. So the fuel filter is located on the passenger side, on the back, of course, right under here. The access to show you or to place the camera is not the best, but let's see if I can show you. Let's go, guys. So here it is, and let's see where is this freaking leak, because I don't know. I don't know if it's the hoses. Well, let's see. So guys, usually when I replace a fuel filter in any car, what I usually do at first is to turn off the fuel pump. And to do that, you just need to remove the fuse from the fuel pump and turn on the car until it stops, because it won't have fuel. But since I have a fuel leak, don't make any sense do that. But what you should do, if your car don't have any leak, of course, and probably don't have, it's to remove the fuse of the fuel pump and start your engine a few times until it stops, because it won't have any fuel in the fuel lines. So guys, let's see where is this freaking leak. Let's go. Era liga. Para. So guys, this is fully cracked, as you can see. Uh, so guys, what I'm gonna do is to go to my local shop and buy a bit of fuel hose. Let's go. So guys, I went to my local shop to buy a meter of fuel hose. What I'm gonna do right now is to cut a bit. And there's one important thing that I want to show you about fuel filters. This is my new one. If you are trying to replace yours, it's always important to watch the flow. You have an arrow that indicates the flow. So this means this have an orientation. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it have an arrow right here, an arrow pointed to this direction. This one also have a inscription right here. Probably you cannot see because it's the same color, but it says in, which means this goes this side over here goes from the fuel tank and goes out to the system. So don't mess up with this. This is uh, important, okay? What I'm gonna do right now is to install my fuel filter, to install the new hose, and hopefully I don't have more leaks. Let's go. I was looking to the other side of the fuel filter connection, and I believe this connection is not original. I'm pretty sure that this is not original. This is not usually the fuel connections. You know, it's fast connectors and don't use this kind of hoses. But guys, it is what it is. Since this is also cracked, I will replace also this one and install brand news. Let's go, guys. So guys, let's see if the leak is fixed or not. And if I have fuel, of course. Let's go. Done, no leaks, just missing fuel. Let's go get. So guys, I had to stop recording because today it's really hot. I stopped for lunch, take a shower, had a cap and changed my shirt because I was really sweating, guys. But right now, at least I don't have more fuel leaks. But guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget your thumbs up, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.